Well, it's Christmas time.
Hello from Magic Kingdom.
We just got in from Albuquerque. We're exhausted, but we had to come here and see the Christmas decorations because park gets overhauled.
Yeah, it's exciting. I miss it. Feels like we were just here, but we weren't.
We were about a month ago.
Ish.
2 months ago.
And then before that was almost a year.
Yeah, it's crazy. Actually, it's funny because we were on our way here and Amber got hit with the memory, and it was here at the park.
Same day we came here. But if you're new, hello, hi, and welcome. Thank you guys so much for checking us out. Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to like and comment. Don't forget to hit that bell notification because we are really excited because it is Amber's favorite time of year. And it's be really exciting to see what the tree does behind us if it changes this year.
Yeah, and if there's other stuff that we can check out that's Christmassy. Yeah. At least for now.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's go.
So we're in the main store and they have the Emporium. We have Hanukkah stuff. That's really cool. It's really neat. I'm glad that they're doing that stuff. Holy crap, I just noticed this. Mickey's holding a dreidel. The shirt is $37 and Mickey is $30, $29.99. And we have wine glasses as well for a grand total of $18. I think there's some more on the other side. So an ugly sweater that is a Spirit jersey. You have Christmas cards that Amber found. And on the back it says Walt Disney World. You know, they're not going to be able to hear you, but if we went to an ugly sweater party, this could be your ugly sweater. I think some of this stuff's the same from last year. Happy holidays, come on now. And here are this year's ears. They're $54.99. And then we have 12 days of Christmas. Then you can make your own ornaments. That'd be good for our godsons, actually. Oh, it's for hair stuff. That's neat. And earrings, and I don't know. Look at this dress, though. You can see it better up here. Really nice.
Oh, I found my favorite.
She found a petticoat that has Minnie inside, and the buttons have Mickey ears. This year's, she's trying to jump the gun. This year's plushes, we got Mickey. We have Pooh Bear. And I'm not going to show it because I don't want Amber to buy it, but she already found it. So Chippendale in a stocking. We saw a chipmunk at the San Diaz. And that's $35. I don't know if those are PJs or not, but they're they're a Spirit tee. There's a Spirit jersey. That's $100. Oh, it is pretty thick. That's $100. And then you have more ears. I don't know what. Oh wow, they got flannel PJs. That's nifty. And look at this. Oh, that's so cool. So looks like a casserole container or a bread pan. And you have a casserole pan. You have the typical. Ooh, they have an advent calendar. We found an awesome one at Old Town in Albuquerque. And then we have the Rice Krispies. Over here we have chocolates. Oh, look at the skirt. That's cool. $65.99. 80. That's like a long use skirt. Oh, it's a tree topper. That's cute. Oh, for eggnog. The merriest place on earth. Then you got a, it looks like sheepskin blanket for $60. How big is it? It's a 50 by 60. Which is a typical size for a throw. Oh, we got more ornaments and decoration. And you can get it personalized. That's neat. And this right here is the Nutcrackers. You have Mickey, and I want to say probably on the other side will be the other one. Nope, it's all Mickey. It's all Mickey. And then Amber found the Starbucks cup tumbler-ish thing for $50. They do feel pretty cool though. And then they have another coffee cup from Starbucks. I don't know if I'm liking this. The ears decoration is pretty cool.
I like it.
Going with this year's theme, we have flannel stockings, tree skirt, and wreath. And then we have looks like a doormat. Amber says we can never have too many. I strongly disagree. She's shaking her head off camera. And then these are the cups and a sign that you can hang up. Ooh. One of those as well. And then another tree topper. That is a snowflake. And it has Mickey in it. And I bet you it's like $30. I totally just saw this. The balls on the stocking are little Mickeys. That is really cool. We get one with our initials on them. And the $35.99. $34.99. $35. Wow, look at this. For the 50th, they have a Hawaiian themed Merry Christmas. Like the tiki room and stuff. That's really neat.
Don't get Galactic Gateway in Tomorrowland. This is where Stitch comes out and stuff, and they have like dance parties and stuff. I like how it's blue and it's decorated. This is like one of my favorite stages. Ryan, when they have the dance party, do you dance?
That's it.
Because all the lights and things are up here.
How exciting would it be to get your photos with Stitch and all the other people? I don't know. I have never really seen Stitch.
Try.
But It used to be a Stitch ride right in there. Not anymore. He gone. After he toilet papered the castle, he had to leave. But that's pretty cool. Another photo op. Right after you leave Mainstreet, USA, you take a right and you're hit with this photo op opportunity. It's awesome. You have, I know, you have the gang. It's really cool. I like it. Well, our time here is done, but it's still early in the season.
So we can always come back.
Yeah, which I think we are. Yeah, we plan on making a lot of trips. I know you have a lot of things planned.
Possibly.
This next week, maybe. I don't know. We'll see how things play out. But we are really, really excited that Christmas is finally here. It's your favorite time of year. I don't know. For me,
it was my very all-time favorite, and then like HHN happened, and I'm like,
but you're always gonna love the meaning behind the season, I guess. But that is it for today.
Yep. So if you want to subscribe, check it out up here. Click on that somewhere.
Yeah, and our most recent video will be right over here. Well, guys, we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.